Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make a copy of Snapchat account data. Would you like to make a copy of your Snapchat account data to have a backup in case something happens? Luckily, you can easily do it. Just follow these steps and you will be able to do it. Open Snapchat app on your mobile and log into your profile. Tap on the settings icon at the top right of your screen. Scroll down and find the section named My Data. Here you can see that you will need to submit a request to download your data. Also, you will be able to see what is available for download. Now scroll down and click on Submit Request button. Within 24 hours, you should receive a notification that your backup copy is ready for download, and you will be able to download it from here. Done. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make a copy of Snapchat account data. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.